Mr. Court, please, my lord. We continue with the re-examination of Sergeant Mogane.
Confirmed, my lord.
Sergeant Mogane, yesterday we stopped at page 39 of Exhibit MM in brackets 2.
Mogane re yemische re lego page 39 ya botlhatse ba MM2. Yes, I am listening.
You had explained the two entries at 16:53.
Le be le tlhalositse taba tsela tse e leng gore di diragetse ka 16:53
and 18:28:30 at Moroka Police Station
le
on the
18
19th of June 2020.
le 18:28:30 tsela tsa di 19 tsa June. That is correct, my lord.
Yes, you can continue from there.
Le ka tswela pele go tloga gana mowe.
Where's the chat? Yeah, you see posting it there on the screen.
Page 39. It's on the 19th of June 2020, 16:53, where the ignition was off. Then 19 June 2020, 18:28:30, and the activity there is start up, and it's near Makalima Street, Moroka, Soweto.
Silvana, in 1920 to 1663, Hilal ignition Shakona, Kanye 1828, Hilal put it to Nishakona, it was in the Makalima Street, and Moroka, Soweto.
So you can continue from there.
Le ka tswela pele go tlogela gana mowe.
Kile ka thoma go driver ka tsena ka okay sanjane ke driver a Toyota Fortuner white registration number FV47LRGP.
I was still driving a white Toyota Fortuner and the registration number is FV47LRGP.
Nangsahamba ngayo ke iFortuna iToyota Fortuna emhlophe enenamba ke FV47LRGP.
Ka 2026 19 18 33 30 seconds thoma trailer ka Chris Hani Road Dlamini Soweto.
On the 19th of June 2020 at 18:33 and 30 seconds, I started driving at Chris Hani Road, Dlamini in Soweto.
Ngaso ke isikhathi lesiyana ke sibhaliwe lapha yana esu-18:33 ama-seconds awu-30 ngaqala ke ukushayela kumgwaqo iKrizani eDlamini eSoweto.
Kalona la tshile ka 18:34 46 seconds. We came stop signing Makalima Street, Moroka, Soweto.
On the same day at 18:34 and 46 seconds, I was at a stop sign at Makalima Street in Moroka, Soweto.
Ngaso lesi sikhathi ke siu 1834 ngalo lelo langa nge-19 June 2020 ngangimile-ke ku-stop sign eMakhalima Street eMoroka eSoweto.
Ome letšatši lone lo gape 18:39 46 seconds ya idla gape near Grace Honey Road a tlembe ke merobotong.
On the same day at 18:39 and 46 seconds, the vehicle was idling once more, and I think I was at a robot at Chris Honey Road.
Ngalo lelo langa futhi ke ngo-18:39 ama-seconds awu-46 yayimika imoto lapho i-idla ngicabanga ukuthi ngangime kuma-robot kumgwaqo iKhrizani eDlamini eSoweto.
Ka lona letšatši lewe gape ka 18:42 35 seconds e drivile gape ya tsena ka Poma ya feta Poma Street Moroka Soweto.
On the same day at 18:42 and 35 seconds, I was driving in Koma Street in Moroka, Soweto.
Ngaye ke u-1842 ama-seconds awu-35 ngangishayela-ke kwistrata iKoma eMoroka eSoweto.
Ka lona letšatši leo gape ka 18:42 55 seconds and 18:43 45 seconds next to Chris Honey Road Dlamini Soweto.
On the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 18:42 and up through to 18:43 and 45 seconds, I was driving in Chris Honey Road in Dlamini, Soweto.
Ngalo lelo langa futhi ke ngo-1842 ama-seconds awu-55 no-1843 ama-seconds awu-55 no-45 ngangihamba-ke ngawo umgwaqo iKhrizani eDlamini eSoweto.
Ka lona letšatši leo gape 2026 19 18:47 15 seconds ke sepela Mohloka Street Klipspruit Soweto.
On the same day, my Lord, at 18:47 and 15 seconds, I was driving near Mohloka Street in Klipspruit, Soweto.
Ngalo lelo langa futhi 1847 isikhathi ama-seconds awu-15 ngangihamba kwistrato iMuhloka eKlipspruit eSoweto.
Ka letšatši leo gape 18:49 40 seconds ke sepela gape near Mohloka Street Pimville Zone 3 Pimville.
And on the same day at 18:49 and 40 seconds, I was driving near Mohloka Street in Pimville, Zone 3 in Pimville.
Ngo-1849 ama-seconds awu-40 ngangishayela-ke eMuhloka Street ePimville Zone 3 ePimville.
Isa lona letšatši leo gape ka 18:54 10 seconds and 18:55 15 seconds be ke sepela Mhleni am Mfuku Street Pimville.
And on the same day, my Lord, between 18:54 and 10 seconds and 18:55 and 15 seconds, I was driving at Mhleni Yamfuka Street in Pimville, Zone 6.
Phakathi ke kwakhe u-1854 no-1855 10 seconds no-15 seconds ngangihamba-ke emhleni Yamfuka Street ePimville Zone 6 khona ePimville.
Ome ka lona letšatši leo 18:56 35 seconds 18:57 15 seconds and 18:57 25 seconds be ke sepela Mponde Street Pimville Zone 7 Zone 5 Pimville.
On the same day, my Lord, at 18:56 and 35 seconds, 18:57 and 15 seconds, and 18:57 and 25 seconds, I was driving in Mpondanda Street in Pimville, from Zone 7, Zone 5 in Pimville, my Lord.
Isikhathi ke u-1856 35 u-1857 15 kanye futhi no-1857 futhi ngahamba Mpondonde Street ePimville Zone 7 kanye Mpondonde Street ePimville Zone 5 khona ePimville.
Ome ka 18:58 00 seconds and 18:59 45 seconds be ke sepela Mokoka Street Pimville Zone 5.
And on the same day at 18:58 and 0 seconds and 18:59 and 45 seconds, I was driving in Mokoka Street, Pimville, Zone 5. 58 and 59.
ngo-1858 kanye no-1859-ke ngangihamba eMoroka Street ePimville, Zone 5 khona ePimville.
Umekana Chachileo, ka 1900 hours 00 seconds, Sepala Mohalo Street, Pimville, Zone 4, Pimville.
On the same day at 19 hours and 0 seconds, I was driving at Mohalo Street in Pimville, Zone 4.
Ngalelo-ke langa 29 June 2020 kumbene esikhombisa ihola ntambama ngangihamba khona eMukhalo Street ePimville, Zone 4, Pimville.
Kana Chachilo Rape, Kana Koya 1902 55 seconds and 1903 25 seconds, Vekisepala Tsueni Street, Klep Spray 298 IQ Soweto.
And on the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 1902 55 seconds and 1903 and 25 seconds, I was driving in Tsuane Street, Klipspruit 298 IQ in Soweto.
Kanye futhi-ke ngalo-ke lelo langa lelo-ke 1902 isikhathi ama-second of 55 ngahamba Tsuane Street, Klipspruit 298 IQ eSoweto.
Another Chachileo, ka 1904 00 seconds and 1904 25 seconds, Vekisepala Niam Tambo Street, Lamini Soweto.
And on the same day at between 1904 and 1904 and 25 seconds, I was driving near Mtambo Street, Dlamini in Soweto.
Kanye-ke ngalelo langa futhi-ke ngoyo 1904 no-1904 25 seconds ngahamba-ke eMtambo Street eDlamini eSoweto.
Ka 1906 00 seconds, Vekisepala Krisani Road, Lamini Soweto.
At 1906 and 0 seconds, I was driving near Chris Hani Road in Dlamini, Soweto.
Kanye-ke ngo-1906 ngangihamba-ke kwimigwaqo-ke iSizani eDlamini eSoweto.
Chachilewe 1908 30 seconds, Vekisfita near Krisani Road, Shawelo, Soweto.
On the same day at 1906 or 8. 1908 and 30 seconds, I was driving near Chris Hani Road in Shawela, Soweto.
Ngalelo langa-ke ngo-1908 ama-seconds awu-30 ngangihamba kumgwaqo iKrizani eChawelo eSoweto.
Alona Chachileo 1911, Imala incident, so maybe a medical emotileng, Vekisepala Chris Hani Road, Klep Refer Sorg, Soweto.
On the same day at 1911 and 4 seconds, it indicates that there was an incident. I am not sure whether were the vehicles that were stopped at the road, and I was driving at near Chris Hani Road in Klepferswoog in Soweto.
1911,
Yes, 1911. Klepsrefier. Woog.
Kanti-ke ngo-1911 kuyabonisa-ke ukuthi kwakuney'moto ezayimile, angazi ukuthi kwakwenzekani khona laphayana-ke kulowa mgwaqo-ke eFrizani iKlepsrefier eSoweto.
Kalala Chachilo Rapeka 1912 00 seconds, Vekisepala near Chris Hani Road, Klep Refer Sorg, Soweto.
And on the same day at 1912 00 seconds, I was still driving at near Chris Hani Road, Klepsrefier in Soweto.
Kanti-ke ngo-1912 ama-seconds-ke awekho ngangihamba khona-ke kumgwaqo iFrizani eKlepsrefier eSoweto.
Ka 1913 05 seconds, Vekifita Union Street, Klep Refer Sorg, Soweto.
And at 1913 05 seconds, I was passing Union Street in Klepsrefier in Soweto.
Kanti-ke ngo-1913 ama-seconds awu-5 ngangidlula-ke e-Union Street, Klepsrefier eSoweto.
Ka Chachileo Rape 1914 00 seconds, near N12 freeway, Klep Refer Sorg, Soweto.
On the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 1914 and 00 seconds, I was near the N12 freeway in Klepsrefier in Soweto.
kanti-ke ngo-1914 ngangihamba khona-ke ku-N12 freeway eClubra Fields eSoweto.
O me ke tswetse pele ka sepela ka 1914 1914 15 seconds 1914 25 seconds ke sa sepela ka N12 freeway Clearwater Fields walks way to.
And from 1914, 00 seconds to 1915, 1925, 1914 and 25 seconds, I was still driving an N12 freeway in Klipsrivier in Soweto.
Kanti phakathi-ke kwakhe u-1914 ama-seconds awekho uyofika-ke ku-1914 ama-seconds awu-25 ngangisahamba kuyona-ke umgwaqo u-N12 freeway eSoweto.
O me ke sepetse ka yona gape go tloga ka 1915 17 seconds 1915 49 seconds 1917 46 seconds speed violation Clearwater Fields Soweto.
And I continued through to 1915 and 17 seconds in N12 freeway Klipsrivier up to 1915 and 49 seconds still on the same road, and it shows that the speed was violated.
Ngaqhubeka-ke kuwona-ke lo mgwaqo loyana-ke uyona-ke u-N12 kusuka-ke ku-1915 17 1915 49 kubonisa ngawo umgwaqo lo u-N12 freeway Clearwater Fields Soweto iyantshengisa-ke nokuthi kwaba khona-ke lapho-ke ukungathobeli-ke umthetho-ke mayelana nespeed.
Omeka 1917 46 seconds speed violation Maxipala N12 freeway Eldorado Park.
And at 19, 17 and 46 seconds, it shows that I also violated the speed, and I was now at the N12 freeway Eldorado Park in Soweto.
Iyakhomisa-ke u-19 17 46 ukuthi nalapho-ke ngeqa-ke isivinini esivumelekile ku-N12 freeway e-Eldorado Park eSoweto.
Salwana mo letšatši la di 19 ka 1990
E-Eldorado Park eSoweto.
Salwana mo letšatši la di 19 ka 19 10 seconds be ke sepela N12 main route Devlin Soweto.
On the same day in 2020 June, on the 19th at 19, 19 and 10 seconds, I was driving in N12 main road in Devlin, Soweto.
Kanye futhi ngaye-ke u-19 19 10 ngahamba-ke ngawo umgwaqo u-N12 main road eDevlin eSoweto.
Salwana mo gape ka 19 20 seconds be ke sepela N1 freeway Johannesburg South.
Whilst we were still proceeding at 19, 19 and 20 seconds, I was still driving at N1 freeway Johannesburg South.
Kanti-ke ngalo lelo langa lelo-ke 1919 isikhathi ema-seconds awu-20 ngihamba-ke ngawo-ke umgwaqo lowana ohlangayeka-ke wase-Johannesburg South.
Gape ka 1920 07 seconds speed violation near N1 freeway Devlin Soweto.
Once more at 19, 20 and 7 seconds, I violated the speed, and I was now at N1 freeway Devlin Soweto.
Kanye futhi-ke 1919 ama-seconds awu-20 sekubona-ke umgwaqo selawayeka eDevlin eSoweto nalapho-ke ukuthi ngeqa isivinini.
Umesha jola pela gape ka 1921 10 seconds and 1921 30 seconds be ke sepela freeway Deep Loop 319 IQ Soweto.
I proceeded from 1921 and 10 seconds to 1921 and 30 seconds, driving in N1 freeway Deep Loop at 319 IQ in Soweto.
Kanti-ke ngo-1921 ama-seconds awu-10 1921 ama-seconds awu-30 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo-ke i-Deep Loop N1 freeway Deep Loop at 319 IQ Soweto.
Gape ka 1921 30 seconds and 1922 5 seconds be ke sepela N1 freeway Deep Loop 319 IQ Johannesburg South.
Between 1921 and 30 seconds and 1922 and 5 seconds, I was driving in N1 freeway Diepkloof 319 IQ Johannesburg South.
Kanti ke phakathi ko-1921 amaseconds awu-30, 1922 amaseconds awu-5 ngangihamba ke umgwaqo N1 freeway eDiepkloof 319 IQ eSoweto kanye ke neDiepkloof 319 IQ eJohannesburg South.
Gape ka 1922, 50 seconds, Wexipela N1 freeway Diepkloof.
Once more at 1922 and 50 seconds, I was driving an N1 freeway Diepkloof.
Kanti ke ngo-1922 amaseconds awu-50 ngahamba umgwaqo N1 freeway eDiepkloof.
Gape ka 1923, 03 seconds, Wexipela speed violation near N1 freeway Diepkloof zone 4.
I violated the speed once more at 1923 and 3 seconds, driving in N1 freeway Diepkloof zone 4.
Ngaphinda futhi ngehlisa-ke isivinini ngo-1923 03 ke nalo kuwona umgwaqo othelawayeka eDiepkloof zone 4 khona eDiepkloof.
Ka 1923, 40 seconds, 1924, 00 seconds, 1924, 26 seconds, speed violation, Wexipela N1 freeway, Mooifontein, 225 IQ, Johannesburg.
From 1923 and 40 seconds, 1924 and 00 seconds, and 1924 and 26 seconds, that's where I violated the speed. I was driving at N1 freeway, Mooifontein, Mooifontein, 225 IQ in Johannesburg.
Kanti ke phakathi kwakhe u-1923, 40, 1924 ama-seconds awekho, 1924 ama-seconds awu-26 ngehlisa-ke futhi nalapho ngesivinini ngihamba kuwona-ke umgwaqo N1 freeway eMooifontein 225 IQ eJohannesburg.
Ka 1927, 13 seconds, speed violation gape, Wexipela near freeway, Florida Glen, Rodeport.
Proceeded violating the speed at 1927 and 13 seconds. I was driving in N1 freeway, Florida Glen in Rodeport.
Phindile futhi-ke ngehlisa-ke isivinini isikhathi kwaku-1927 ama-seconds awu-13 kwangihamba-ke nako N1 freeway eFlorida Glen eRodeport.
1932, 15 seconds, next driver near N1 freeway, Quellerina, Randburg.
At 1932 and 15 seconds on the same day of the 19th of June 2020, I was driving near N1 freeway, Quellerina in Randburg.
Kwathi-ke ngo-1932 ama-seconds awu-15 ngangishayela-ke kona komgwaqo u-N1 freeway eQuillerina eRandburg.
Ka 1933-05, idling near freeway, Quellerina, Randburg.
At 1933 and 05 seconds, the vehicle was idling near Quellerina in Randburg.
Kanye-ke ngaye-ke u-1933 imoto-ke iyayiduma eduze-ke noma-ke eQuillerina eRandburg.
Ka 1938-05 seconds, driving near freeway, Quellerina, Randburg.
At 1935 and 1938 and 5 seconds, I was driving near N1 freeway in Quellerina in Randburg.
Kanye-ke kanti-ke ngaye u-1938 ama-seconds awu-5-ke ngangihamba-ke eduze-ke kwaye u-N1 freeway eQuillerina eRandburg.
Otwaka 1938, 15 seconds, 1938, 23 seconds, 1938, 34 seconds, speed violation 1943 seconds, Wexipela N1 freeway, fair lanes, or Quellerina to fair lanes.
Between 1938 and 15 seconds through to 1940 and 3 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway in Fairlands in Randburg.
Kanti-ke phakathi kwa-1938 ama-seconds awu-15 kuyofika-ke kona-ke u-1940 ila ngangihamba khona-ke umgwaqo ku-N1 freeway eFairlands eRandburg futhi kunokuthi ngehlisa-ke ngesivinini.
Ka 1941, 29 seconds, speed violation next to N1 freeway, Bromhof, Randburg.
At 1941 and 29 seconds, I violated the speed limit and I was driving near N1 freeway, Bromhof in Randburg.
Kanti-ke ngo-1941 ama-seconds awu-29 nalapho ngeqisa futhi-ke ngesivinini engangihamba ngaso ngangihamba-ke kumgwaqo u-N1 freeway eBromhof eRandburg.
1942, 55 seconds, speed violation near N1 freeway, Bryanston, Sandton.
On the 19th of June 2020, I proceeded violating the speed limit, and it was at 19:42 and 55 seconds when I was driving at N1 freeway, Bryanston in Sandton.
Kanti-ke isikhathi kwaku-1942 ama-seconds awu-55 umgwaqo kwaku-N1 eBryanston eSandton nalapho ngeqisa ngesivinini.
Gape 1944, 44 seconds, speed violation, N1 freeway, Mahalisek, Sandton.
Once more at 1944 and 44 seconds, the speed was violated and I was driving on the N1 freeway, Mahalisek in Sandton.
Kanti-ke ngo-1944 ama-seconds awu-44 nalapho ngeqisa-ke futhi ngesivinini ngangihamba-ke kumgwaqo iMahalisek eSandton.
Gape lona letšatši leo ka 1945, 41 seconds, speed violation near N1 freeway, Brecknock, AH, Sandton.
Once more at 1945 and 41 seconds, I violated the speed as I was driving on the N1 freeway, Brecknock, AH in Sandton.
Phindile futhi-ke ngo-1945 ama-seconds awu-41 ngeqisa-ke futhi ngesivinini N1 freeway eBrecknock, AH eSandton.
Tšwela gape lona letšatši leo 1947, 04 seconds, speed violation near N1 freeway, Rivonia, Sandton.
I proceeded, my lord, at 1947 to violate the speed, and I was driving near the N1 freeway in Rivonia in Sandton.
Phindile futhi-ke ngeqisa-ke ngesivinini ngo-1947 ama-seconds awu-4 ngihamba-ke eRivonia eSandton.
Utwaka 1947, 23 seconds, Ufitla 1948, 45 seconds, Nexipela N1 freeway, Woodmead, Sandton.
Between 1947 and 23 seconds through to 1948 and 45 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway in Woodmead.
Futhi-ke phakathi kwakhe 1947, 23 kufika-ke 1948, 45 seconds ngangihamba-ke umgwaqo N1 eWoodmead eSandton.
Just before you proceed, Sergeant Mogane, according to the movement report from 1938, 19 hours 38, 23 up to 19 hours 47, 43 shows that you're driving in excess of the speed limit. Can you remember what the reason was?
Nke le re botse mo gobane e bontšha gore go tlogelela ka 1938 and 23 seconds go fitlhelela ka 1947 and 4 seconds ka na letšatši le la di 19 tša June lena le be le kgwetša ka tsela ye be e leng gore e be e fetiša tekano ya molao wa go kgwetša le ka gopola gore molato e be e leng goba go be go diragala eng.
E lo ba gore ge koloi e servicitšwe e phetše tsela e bulegile leoto le no namela accelerator ke sa tlhokomela.
When the vehicle is well serviced and the road is opened, my foot just goes on without me recognizing or realizing that I am exceeding the speed limit, my lord.
Kuyenzeka-ke ukuthi uma imoto ikwisimo nje esikahleke umgwaqo nje hayi cha ukuthi nje uvulelekile ukuthi ungenza nje umathanda hayi nami-ke bese ngibeka-ke unyawo phansi.
What was the intended destination at that point?
Botsebotse lena le be le ikemišeditše gore le ya kae? We were going to Phukeng.
Sasihamba-ke siya ePhukeng.
Yes, you may proceed.
Le ka tšwela pele.
Advocate, ka go botša re feditše kae?
Advocate, can you please assist
Yes,
on where did we end?
48, 45.
You were at 1948, 45.
Right. Mid-Sandton.
5, okay. Ke a leboga.
Thank you.
Umekwe speed violation gape mo 1945, 41 seconds, N1 freeway, Brecknock, AH, Sandton.
I proceeded violating the speed at 1948 and 59 seconds. and we were at N1 freeway, would meet in Sentin.
1948, 59. You said 1948.
4859.
Okay. Ngaya ke 1948, 59 nalapho tingahle sakho nali esivinini sasihamba kwakusevaterfall eMidrand.
Kisipitche,
Sorry, Woodmead.
kisipitche ka utwa 1947-23 speed violation, 1947-43 Excel Freeway, Woodmead.
I proceeded on the freeway between 1947 and 43 seconds as I was driving in Woodmead through to 1948 and 45 seconds.
Qhubekekile ke ngawo kwaqhubekana ke 1947, 43, 1948, 45 sahamba ngawo kwaqhubekana ke N1 freeway eWoodmead eSentin.
Umekana la Chachileo, 1948, 59 seconds, speed violation, N1 freeway waterfall, 5 IR Midrand.
On the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 19:48 and 59 seconds, I proceeded violating the speed limit and I was driving at Onier N1 freeway, Waterfall 5 IR in Midrand.
Kanti ke ngo-1948, 59 la reqisa khona ke ngesivinini ngam-N1 freeway eWaterfalls 5 IR eMidrand.
Umeke sipiche ka Janati Rayo, N9 from 1948, 45 seconds, 1948, 59 seconds, 1949, 15 seconds, and 1949, 19 seconds speed violation, Kisale Freeway, Waterfall, 5 IR Midrand.
And I proceeded on the same road, N1 freeway in Waterval, 5 IR in Midrand, from 1948 and 49 and 45 seconds right through to 1949 and 15 seconds, my lord, proceeding to violate the speed limit.
Qhubekekile ke ngawo lo mgwaqo lwana ke oseWaterfalls eMidrand kusuka ngayo u-1948, 45 seconds kwaze kwafika ke u-1949 ngeqisiwe futhi ke ngesivinini engangihamba ngaso.
Omega 1954, 16 seconds, speed violation of it 1956, 17 seconds, in Sechike Sepola, Benskuman Freeway, Country View, and Benskuman Freeway, Braakfontein, 399 Centurion.
And at 1954 and 16 seconds and 1956 and 17 seconds on the 19th of June 2020, I was now driving at Benskuman Freeway, Country View, and Benskuman Freeway, Braakfontein, 399 in Centurion.
Kanti ke phakathi nga-1954 sema-second of 16, 1956 ama-second of 17 ngangihamba ngayo iBenskuman freeway eCountry View eMidrand kanye futhi ke neBenskuman Braakfontein 399 eCenturion.
Utaona far away, 1957, 15 seconds, 1957, 30 seconds, 1957, 40 seconds, Sechike Reila Botsi, Vexiplaga, Danny Jobert, Freeway, Braakfontein 399, JR Centurion.
Now I was now driving on the proper speed limit from 1957 and 15 seconds, 1957 and 30 seconds, and 1957 and 40 seconds driving at Terry Jubet Freeway in Braakfontein 399 in Centurion, my lord.
Manje ke ngangihamba ke ngesivinini ekuyisona ke noma ekufanele ukuthi ngihamba ngaso phakathi kwa-1957, 15, 1957, 30, 1957, 40 ngangihamba ngawo manje umgwaqo iDani Ube Freeway eBraakfontein 399 Centurion, iDani Ube Freeway eBraakfontein eCenturion.
Apeka Luanara Chachilare 19th June 2020, Ka 1958, 6 seconds, 1958, 9 seconds, Sechike Ratilenyana, Vexipela Danilo Freeway, Zwartkop Centurion.
On the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 1958 and 6 seconds and 1958 and 9 seconds, I once more exceeded the speed limit as I was driving in Danny Jubert Freeway, Zwartkop in Centurion.
futhi-ke phakathi kwa-1958 06 seconds 1958 ama-seconds awu-9 engiphindile futhi-ke ngeqisa-ke ngesivinini engangihamba ngaso ngisahamba ngayo idani ube freeway ezwakho eCenturion.
gape ka 200 hours 22 seconds sa e ratile gape be ke sepela Danny Joubert freeway Waterkloof 378 GR Centurion.
On the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 8 p.m. and 22 seconds, I proceeded to exceed the speed limit as I was driving on Danny Joubert Freeway, Waterkloof 378 in Centurion.
Ngazo-ke i-19th ka-June 2020 selibumbene-ke ihora lesishiyagalombili ngaphinda futhi ngeqisa-ke isivinini ngisahamba ngayo idani ube freeway e-Waterkloof 378 eCenturion.
200 hours 02 45 seconds speed violation gape near N1 freeway Erasmus Rand Pretoria.
On the same 19th of June 2020 at 20 hours and 2 minutes and 45 seconds, I proceeded violating the speed as I was driving on the N1 freeway in Erasmus Rand. Is it Erasmus
Yeah.
Rand
Yeah.
in Pretoria?
Isimibili-ke imizuzu lishayile-ke ihora lesishiyagalombili ngeqisa futhi-ke ngaso isivinini ngihamba ngawo umgwaqo ekuwuthelawayeka i-Erasmus Rand ePitori.
Gape kana letšatši leo ka 20:05 18 seconds sa e ratile gape N1 freeway Linwood Manor Pretoria.
On the same day, I proceeded violating the speed at 20 hours and 5 minutes and 18 seconds as I was driving on the N1 freeway Linwood Manor in Pretoria.
Isimihlanu-ke imizuzu-ke eshayile u-8 ntambama ngiphindile futhi-ke ngeqisa-ke ngaso isivinini ngihamba ngawo umgwaqo ekuwuthelawayeka e-Linwood Manor ePretoria.
Sergeant Mogane, can you just place the time and the places where you're driving on record?
Bare ba kgopela gore le bolele fela ka nako e be le kgwetša ka yona
Only
le
if you stop
tulo.
or the engine was switched off that you can place on record.
Le tla bolela fela ge le ema le ge le gore koloi e be e tima mo e leng gore le be le tla bolela ka yona.
Uyacelwa-ke
I
usajeni-
understand.
Uyacelwa-ke usajeni ukuthi asho nje ukuthi isikhathi noma-ke isikhathi yebo kanye nendawo la behamba khona kuphela uma imoto icishiweke noma la imi khona asengachaza-ke.
Sa ona letšatši lo gape 20:05 minutes 48 seconds 20:06 seconds 20:06 minutes 3 seconds 20:06 minutes 28 seconds be ke sepela ka N1 freeway Kuduspoort 456 JR Pretoria.
On the same day, my lord, of the 19th of June 2020 at 20 hours and 5 minutes and 48 seconds through to 20 hours 6 minutes and 28 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway in Kuduspoort in Pretoria.
Ukusuka ngaye-ke u-20:05:48 kwaze kwaba-ke u-20:06:28 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo ekuyi-Kuduspoort 456 ePitori.
Ka 20:07:42 seconds o fihla ka 20:08:8 seconds be ke sepela N1 freeway Kilner Park Pretoria.
Between 20:07 and 42 seconds and 20:08 and 8 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway in Kinla Park in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke phakathi ko-20:07:42 20:08:08 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo okuyi-Kilner Park ePretoria.
Omega 20:08:23 seconds 20:08:49 seconds 20:08:59 seconds 20:09:14 seconds be ke sepela ka N1 freeway Bergkane Pretoria.
Between 20:08 and 23 seconds through to 09 and 14 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway on Bergtoens in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke phakathi kwakhe u-2008-23 kuze kuyofika-ke ku-2009 14 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo ku-freeway N1 freeway ekuyi-Bergtein ePretoria.
Lalela Judge Lewe, 20, 09, 30 seconds, 20, 10, 20 seconds, Wexipla N freeway, Derdeport, 326, JR Pretoria.
Between 20:09 and 30 seconds and 20:10 and 20 seconds, I was driving on the N1 freeway in Derdeport 326 JR in Pretoria.
Phakathi kuka-2009 30 2010 20 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo-ke i-Derdeport 326 JR Pretoria.
Omega 2011, 25 seconds and 2011, 40 seconds. Mexipilaga N4 freeway, Doornpoort, Pretoria, N4 freeway west, Doornpoort, Pretoria.
At 2011 and 2011 and 40 seconds, I was driving on the N4 freeway west in Derdeport in Pretoria.
Anti-ke phakathi kuka-2011 25 20 11 14 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo kuyi-N4 freeway eDoornpoort, Pretoria.
Omega 20, 26, 19, 20, 14, 35 seconds. Mexipilaga freeway, Doornpoort, 295 JR Pretoria, N4 freeway.
Did you say 2026?
2024, I think 2014,
2014, 35.
Yes.
All right. At 2014 and 25 and 35 seconds, I was driving on the N4 freeway in Doornpoort 295 in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke ngaye 2014 30 seconds awu 35 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo ku-N4 freeway eDoornpoort 295 JR ePretoria.
Omega Lola Judge 2015, 21 seconds, Rahema, Fihlela, Kistata ka 2017, 27, N4 freeway, Doornpoort, 295 JR.
On the same day, my lord, at 2015 and 21 seconds, that's where I stopped the ignition up till I restarted the ignition at 2017 and 27 seconds on the N4 freeway in Doornpoort 295 in Pretoria.
Kwase kwathi-ke ngo-2015 ama-seconds awu 21 ila ngema khona-ke imoto ngayishesha khona-ke kwase kuthi-ke ngo-2017 27 ila phinda ngayijumisa khona-ke imoto kuyena u-N4 freeway eDoornpoort 295 ePretoria.
Do you remember what the reason was why you brought the car to standstill?
Le sa gopola gore lebaka e beileng e la gore le time koloi?
Baby, I'll pull.
Yes, I still remember.
Ngisakhumbula ukuthi kwakuyini imbangela yokuthi-ke ngilisheke imoto.
Le ka re tlhalosetša.
Go na le engine na le wimpy mo kgoso le after toll gate at Doornpoort.
There is an engine petrol station that has Wimpy next to Doornpoort.
O me fitlhe re ja dijo selo Sergeant Mabeno o di odile mo tseleng.
We went in and had food which was ordered by Sergeant Mabena whilst we were driving on the road.
Kuno engine-ke lapho-ke lo engine leyo eno-Wimpy-ke la esangena khona-ke siyodla-ke ukudla-ke lokho okwaku-odwe uyena uSergeant Mabena nkathi sisahamba noma sisesemgwaqweni.
Araja re tshele take away ka roba odile pele ba
And
odile in advance.
we did not sit in, we took the takeaway as Sergeant Mabena had placed an order in advance, my lord.
Asidlelanga khona lapho-ke safika njena sathatha ukudla-ke kuwukuthi-ke yena-ke uMabena i-order wayeseyifakile.
And for whom were the takeaways?
Bel diretse mang di takeaway tšeo.
Bele ya ka le ya Sergeant Mabena le ya Ntanzi.
It was for myself, Sergeant Mabena, and Mr. Ntanzi.
Ukudla lokho-ke kwakuwokwami uSergeant Mabena kanye naye-ke uNtanzi.
Yes, you may proceed.
Omeka lona letšatši leo ka 20:22:25 seconds. Ta starta go sepela ka N4 on ramp West Doornpoort, Pretoria.
And on the same day after we had taken our takeaway at Wimpy, I proceeded driving at 20:22 and 25 seconds going into the N4 on ramp West in Doornpoort in Pretoria.
Ngalelo langa futhi ke langa 19 June 2020 isikhathi ke 2022 ama-second 25 la ngalo khona ke kushayela sihamba ngaye ke u-N4 on ramp West at Doornpoort, Pretoria.
Omeka 2024 29 seconds. Besa aitla gape near on ramp West Doornpoort ke metšo go joina tsela.
At 20:24 and 29 seconds, the vehicle was idling as I was waiting to join the N4 on ramp West in Doornpoort in Pretoria.
Kanti ke ngaye u-2024 ama-seconds awu-29 imoto yayisaduma-ke ngokuthi ke ngangisalindeleke ukuthi ngiphumane noma ngihlangane nawo-ke umgwaqo lowo N4 on ramp at Doornpoort, Pretoria.
Lona letšatši leo ka 20:29:29 seconds, 20:31:20 seconds, still idling.
It was
Oh yeah, off ka 20:29, 29 seconds, still idling. 20:31:20 idling. Yeah, near Dr. Swanepoel off ramp, Doornpoort, Pretoria.
at 20:29 and 29 seconds on the same day of the 19th of June 2020. The vehicle was idling near Dr. Swanepoel off ramp in Doornpoort in Pretoria.
Kanti ke ngaye u-2029 seconds imoto leyo yayisaduma-ke kuwona-ke umgwaqo ekuyi-Dr. Swanepoel off ramp at Doornpoort, Pretoria.
Tšwela pele gape ka 2026:20 ya sepela N4 near on N4 on ramp West Doornpoort, Pretoria.
I proceeded driving at 20:36 and 20 seconds on the N4 on ramp West in Doornpoort in Pretoria.
Ngiqhubekekile-ke ukuthi ngihambe noma ngishayeleke isikhathi ku-20:36 ama-seconds awu-20 ngawo-ke umgwaqo lowo ekuyi-N4 on ramp West at Doornpoort, Pretoria.
Ka lona letšatši leo gape 20:37:42 seconds. Napele ke nametše N4 freeway Doornpoort, Pretoria.
And at 20:38 and 42 seconds, I was driving on the N4 freeway Doornpoort in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke ngaye u-2037 ngangihamba ngayo umgwaqo ekuyi-N4 freeway at Doornpoort, Pretoria.
Ome ka 20:39:28 seconds ka N4 freeway feta on Derstepoort, Pretoria.
At 20:39 and 26 seconds, I was driving on the N4 freeway in Onderstepoort in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke isikhathi u-2039:28 ngangihamba ngawo-ke umgwaqo i-N4 freeway Onderstepoort, Pretoria.
What's that?
It's. I just need to get some.
You need to get?
It's just requesting a comfort break, my lord.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's the port. Is where the the animal hospital is situated.
Ke mo e leng gore mola di
As-
phoofolo ge di lwala di shua gona sepetleleng sa gona.
You don't
Mola
know.
mo Onderstepoort.
A ke tseo my lord, ke
Okay.
be re no feta fela mo freeway.
I do not know it, my lord. We were just passing on the freeway.
Ukuthi-ke indawo yeyilwane-ke i-Onderstepoort angasasidlula nje kuphela.
So we adjourn for?
I just need to go and get something for the eyes, my lord, for this.
You don't know
Some
that's
ice,
right.
some hygiene, maybe at Clicksman.
We may proceed. I'll interpret from English, Zulu into Sepedi.
Oh, okay,
It's
fine.
not a problem until my colleague comes.
All
with
right,
that.
yeah, okay, you can go there.
Omer Jola Pele, 20 Salona Chatula 2026 19 20 42 07 seconds. Sepela N4 Freeway Veldfontein 301 JR Acacia.
As we proceed on the 19th of June at 20:42 and 7 seconds, we were now driving on the N4 freeway in Vetfontein in Acacia. Masiqhubeka ngaso isikhathi u-20:42 no 7 seconds beba dlula N4 freeway a Vetfontein e Acacia.
And you were on the way to where?
Kana kwe we lebelele tseleng le ya kae?
Saya Pukena.
We were still proceeding to Phokeng. Uthi benisendleleni niyaphi uthi besaya ePhokeng?
Ome Kala Chatilo Rape 2042 16 seconds. Satama N4 Veldfontein 301 JR Acacia.
On the same day at 20:42 and 16 seconds, we were still proceeding on the N4 freeway Vetfontein in Acacia. Ngalo lelo langa isikhathi mazithi 20:42 and 16 seconds benilibele ngiqhubeka, we were at N4 freeway Vetfontein Acacia.
2046 37 seconds, 2046 39 seconds, 2048 15 seconds, 2048 30 seconds, 2050 10 seconds, Verisipalaka N4 freeway, seat of Tshwane rural.
Between 20:46 and 37 seconds through to 20:50 and 10 seconds, we were now driving on the N4 highway in the city of Tshwane rural. Manje phakathi kwesikhathi u-20:46 and 20:50 and 10 seconds bekulibele kushayelwa phakathi komgwaqo u-N4 highway kwi-city of Tshwane ezilalini.
Ka 2052 20 seconds, 2055 15 seconds, 2056 9 seconds, 2058 20 seconds, 2058 27 seconds, and 210200 seconds. Late 2106 9 seconds. Verisiplaka N4 highway Madibeng rural.
Between 20:52 and 20 seconds right through to 21 hours 6 minutes and 9 seconds, we were driving on the N4 highway Madibeng rural. Uthi ngaphakathi kwesikhathi u-2052 no 2109 benilibele nishayela ntanzi uphakathi emotweni kumgwaqo u-N4 highway eMadibeng rural.
Omeka 2109 41 seconds and 2110 24 seconds. Verisipla N4 highway Mamba Chrome Madibeng rural.
Between 2109 and 41 seconds and 2110 and 24 seconds, we were driving on the N4 highway in Mamba Chrome, Madibeng rural. Phakathi komgwaqo utwe u Madibeng eMadibeng rural kumamba Chrome isikhathi bekade ku 2109 no 2110 and 24 seconds uma kusaqhutshekwa khona lapho.
2110 59 seconds and 2111 21 seconds. Verisipla Rapa N4 highway Mamba Chrome Madibeng rural.
At 2110 and 59 seconds, we were still on the N4 highway Madibeng Mamba Chrome in Madibeng rural. Uthi ngo 2110 and 59 seconds benisaqhubeka nikumgwaqo N4 highway Mamba Chrome Madibeng rural.
Omeka 2116 20 seconds, 2118 51 seconds, 2119 42 seconds, Very simple, N4 highway, Rustenburg Platinum Mine, Rustenburg Rural.
between 21 hours and 16 minutes and 20 seconds and 21 hours 19 minutes and 42 seconds. We were now on the N4 highway, Rustenburg Platinum Mine, Rustenburg Rural.
2123, very simple, near high, 2123, 46 seconds. Near N4 highway, Rustenburg Rural.
Phakathi komgwaqo u-N4 highway laphayana eRustenburg Platinum khona nihambe kusukela ngesikhathi uma sithi 21:11:21 seconds ukuyofika ku-21:19:42 seconds, naqhubeka futhi ngo-21:23 nangena kumgwaqo u-N4 highway eRustenburg Rural between 21 hours and 23 seconds, 23 minutes and 46 seconds. We were now on the N4 Rustenburg Rural, my lord.
Got 2125, 46 seconds. We also someone near highway, Rustenburg Rural.
At 21:23 and 46 seconds, we were still on the N4 highway, Rustenburg Rural. Phakathi ko 21 and 23 minutes and 46 seconds, uthi benisase emgaqweni ku N4 highway, Rustenburg.
Omeka 2127, 21 seconds, 25 seconds. Very simple, near Maruela Avenue, Protea Park, Rustenburg.
At 21 hours and 27 minutes and 25 seconds, we were driving near Maruala Avenue, Protea Park in Rustenburg. Phakathi kwesikhathi u-21 minutes and 27 seconds and 21 minutes 21 hours 27 minutes and 25 seconds. Uthi benikade nihamba kumgwaqo uMaruela Avenue, Protea Park in Rustenburg.
Salona la Jajilo Rapeka 21:29:05 seconds. Dr. Moroka Street, Rustenburg, Rural, Rustenburg.
And on the same day of the 19th of June 2020 at 21:29 minutes and 5 seconds, we were driving at Dr. Moroka Street in Rustenburg Rural in Rustenburg. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi sika 21:29 minutes and 5 seconds bese senihamba kumgwaqo u-Dr. Moroka Street eRustenburg.
Omeka 21:29, 50 seconds, 21:30, 57 seconds, 21:32, 5 seconds, 21:32, 40 seconds, late 21:33, 20 seconds. Very simple, N4 highway, Rustenburg Rural.
We were driving on the N4 highway in Rustenburg Rural between 21 hours 29 minutes and 50 seconds right through till 21 hours 33 minutes and 20 seconds, my lord. Uthi beniqhubeka nishayela kusukela esikhathini u-21 hours 29 minutes and 50 seconds ukuyofika ku-21 hours 33 minutes and 20 seconds.
Got 21:35, 16 seconds. Versapelamo 81.96 kilometers NW of Krugersdorp.
At 21 hours 35 minutes and 16 seconds, we were driving at 81.96 kilometers NW of Krugersdorp. Uthi ke ngesikhathi uma sithi 21 hours 35 minutes and 16 seconds bese senihamba kwindlela ebizwe u-81.96 km NW of Krugersdorp.
You can deal with that route up to 21:42:55 all at once, since it's the same stretch of road.
Bare le ka bolela ka yona ka botlalo go tlogella mo we go fitlhella mo e fellang gona jwalo ka ga ile gore ke tulo ye kopaneng.
21:35, 16 seconds, 21:36, 21:35, 16 seconds, 21:36, 10 seconds, 21:39, 30 seconds, 21:39, 50 seconds, 21:41, 35 seconds, 21:41, 55 seconds, 21:42, 10 seconds, and 21:42, 25 seconds. Versipelaga NW of Krugersdorp.
Between 21 hours 35 minutes and 16 seconds through to 21 hours 42 minutes and 25 seconds, we were driving on NW of Krugersdorp. Uthi kusukela kwisikhathi u-21 hours 35 minutes and 16 seconds kufikela ku-21 hours 42 seconds 42 minutes and 25 seconds benilibele nishayela ku-NW of Krugersdorp.
It's actually up to 21:42:55. Is that correct?
Yeah, 21:42:55. Rosanjalo Seplaga yona.
I confirm we were still driving on the same NW of Krugersdorp through to 21:42 of 55. Uthi ngempela uyavuma ukuthi nishayele kuleyo ndlela kufikela isikhathi uma sithi 21:42 of 55 seconds nilibele nilapho kumgwaqo iNW yeKrugersdorp.
Omega 21:44, 15 seconds. Near R565 Road, Rustenburg Rural.
And at 21:44 and 15 seconds, we were now driving near R565 Road in Rustenburg Rural. Ite iskatuma city 21 hours 44 minutes nama seconds I-15 bengade nishayela ku R565 ku mgwaqo uRustenburg.
Yes, and the next stretch of road up to the bottom of the page, and the next page up to the 6th entry from the top. It's the same stretch of road. You can just deal with them all at once.
Bare go tlogella mo re yang gona ga ni jwale nakong yela go fitlhelleng ka paging e latelang ke tsela e tee go fitlhella mo eleng gore lena le ka tla la e bolela e tlhakane jwalo ka ga ile le tselang ye tee.
Sa lo letšatši le go tloga ka 21:46, 45 seconds go fihla ka 22:21, 25 seconds. Ve re sepela ka NW Krugersdorp Road.
Between 21:46 and 45 seconds through to 22:26 and 25 seconds, we were driving on NW of Krugersdorp. Uthi ke umshushisi hlanganisa ke indlela ngoba uma uzibiza kancane kancane kuyindlela eyodwa uyibiza ngemizuzwana yakhona ithatha isikhathi ihlanganise. Uthi kusukela ngo-21:46 na 45 seconds ukuyofika ku-22:21 and 25 seconds benilibele niqhubeka nishayela ku-NW of Krugersdorp.
Go tloga ka 22:26, 25 seconds. Ve re sepela ka Mopani Street, Freedom Park, Rustenburg go fihla ge re lo ema ka 22:33, 41 seconds near Baobab Street, Freedom Park, Rustenburg Rural.
From 22 hours and 26 minutes and 25 seconds, we were driving on Mopani Street, Freedom Park at Rustenburg Rural, right through till we stopped the ignition at 22:33 and 41 seconds near Baobab Street, Freedom Park in Rustenburg Rural. Uthike niye nashayela kumgwaqo Baobab Mopani Street Freedom Park Rustenburg isikhathi sona sasikade ku 22 hours 26 minutes and 25 seconds ukuyofika kuze kucinywa imoto uma sisenifika ku Baobab umgwaqo wakhona eFreedom Park eRustenburg isikhathi sona beku 33 minutes after 10 ebusuku.
Do you remember why the engine had to be switched off?
Lesa gopola gore gobaneng le ile la tima koloi?
Ke mo go dulago Sandile Ntanzi.
That is where Sandile Ntanzi was residing.
Yes.
Le ka tswela pele.
Gomme ka ga e be re le lo nyaka hoodie. Le ra tsena gomme ra searcha ka nako re tlo kry-a dikolo tša R5.
And that is where, as we wanted to go search for the hoodie, we went in, and that is where we found the bullets for the R5. Uthi ke usakhumbula ukuthi imoto nayicimelane uthi kula uNtanzi ahlala khona futhi kula besihamba sithi siyofuna leya hoodie leyana kula ithema sisafunana nayo ihoodie leyo kula sathola inhlamvu ze R5.
But did you proceed straight to where the accused was staying, or what was the position?
Lilela ya mo molatofatšwa a be a dula gona go ba go diragetšeng.
No, ka tšatši le go gopola re le straight gomme Sergeant Bibi Mogola le Cadet Ginda ba fihle police station ba gopela maphodisa a go tla rena re le straight.
On that day, when I recall very well, we proceeded straight, and Sergeant Bibi Mogola and Brigadier Gininda went to the police station and sought for backup from other police officers. However, we went straight. Uthi-ke niye nayenza njani? Niqhubeke naya la bekahlala khona uNtanzi noma niye nayenza njani? Uthi mina ngiyakhumbula siye mina ngiye ngaqhubeka ngaya khona lapho kodwa iphoyisa uBibi Mogola no Colonel Gininda baye baqhubeka baya epolice station bayocela usizo lwamanye amaphoyisa.
Yes.
Le ka tswela pele.
Gomme re ile ra ba emela.
We waited for them. Uthi balinda ke balindela babanye amaphoyisa.
Gomme re ile ra drive gape just around 23:04, 22:23. Yeah, really re fetša go searcha mo, and then ra ya police station ka re tloga ka 23:05.
And we proceeded searching, and after searching, that's when we drove to the police station, and the time was 23:05 and 55 seconds on the same day of the 19th of June 2020. Uthi-ke bona baye baqhubeka ke ba khuthuza laphayana endlini kuwe Ntanzi la ukuthi ngemva kwalokho baye baqhubeka baya esiphoyiseni isikhathi bese sesithi 23:05 and 55 seconds ngalo lelo langa le 19 zika June ku 2020.
Gomme re ile ra sepela gape ka strata ke Bao Street Freedom Park ka 23:05:55 go fihlela ka 23:06, and then 23:06:55 ra tsena ka Mopani Street.
We proceeded driving on Bao Street in Freedom Park in Rustenburg Rural at 23:05 through to 23:06 and 40 seconds, where we went into Mopani Street.
Gomme gape ka 23:08:25 seconds re sa sepela Mopani Street Freedom Park.
And at 23:08, we were still driving on Mopani Street in Freedom Park.
From
23:08:25 sase sahamba khona ke Mopane.
from 23, I'm sorry, from 23:13 to 23:13:25 to the bottom of the page appears to be the same stretch of road. You can just deal with them all at once.
Le ka e tlhakantshaela ya go tloga go 23:13:25 go ya mo e leng gore re feletša gona.
Yes, 23:13:25 re sepela ka NW Kruger stop go fihlela ka 23:26:52 seconds e ke tima re tsena police station ya Phuteng.
Between 23:13 and 25 seconds, We were driving on NW of Krugersdorp through till 23 hours and 26 minutes and 52 seconds when I went into the police station yard and turned off the ignition, my lord, on the 19th of June 2020. Yes.
23, 25, 23, 26, ama-second awu 52, ngihamba ngawo ke loya mgwaqo loyana u-82, 24, okay, noma u-NW lase-Krugersdorp, ngaze ngayothisha-ke imoto khona laphayana e-Krugersdorp.
Umerile ra mo processa ra bula case ra package di exhibit ra ra tsentšha 13 from there sepela le ena gape ra tla le ena Joburg.
We proceeded, my lord, and processed those exhibits and opened a case, placed them on the SAP 13, and we came back with the accused to Johannesburg.
La sesiqale khona-ke ukwenza khona-ke umsebenzi-ke la ekusetshenzwa ngamaphepha noke ama-documents futhi-ke leyo mbukiso leyo-ke nayo-ke esase sibhala-ke futhi siyifaka kwi-SAP 13 sase sibuya naye-ke umsolo asiza eGoli.
Yes, if you can maybe just refer to exhibit PP1 and PP2.
Re le kaya go botlhatse ba PP1 le PP2.
PP1 is the entry, occurrence book entry, and exhibit PP2 is the cell register.
PP1
already referred to.
PP1 ke mola mo ileng gore le be le ngwala gona go OB. And advocate, can you please pass it to me as I do not have it in my possession?
Yes, monthly serial number 294 Mogane Sandy Sontanzi.
Yes, it shows the monthly serial number, and the serial number was 294 Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Ikhona-ke inamba elana-ke bathi-ke i-serial number eku-294 baliwe-ke Bongane Sandiso Ntanzi.
Iboncha mengwaga.
And it shows his age.
Bonisa-ke neminyaka yakhe, nomtshengisa-ke iminyaka yakhe.
Iboncha gore ke monna.
He is a male. It shows his gender.
1906.
It shows the day and the month, which was the 19th of June.
Isetshenziswa-ke nosuku-ke noma-ke i-date ukuthi kwakuyi-19 zika-June.
Date of arrest 2245.
And the date of arrest, the date.
Date of arrest, time of arrest, sorry.
The time of arrest, my lord, not the date. The time was 22 hours 45 minutes.
Itshengisa-ke nesikhathi sokuboshwa kwakhe nesikhathi aboshwa ngaso-ke kwaku-22:45.
Iboncha offensive possession of unlicensed ammunition.
And the type of offense which he was arrested for was possession of unlicensed ammunition.
Nokuthi-ke kwakuyini icala aliboshelwe ukuthi ukutholakala-ke eney'nhlamvu ey'ngekho emthethweni.
Then eventual case number 118/06/2020.
And the case number it was 118/06/2020.
Isitshengisa-ke nenamba-ke yecala leyo eku-118/06/2020.
Uma iboncha le ditokelo tsa gagwe tsa go swariwa.
And it shows as well his rights as he was arrested.
Bese kutshengisa-ke namalungelo akhe nanjengomuntu owayeboshiwe.
Notice of rights number.
It shows as well the notice of rights number.
Kanye-ke nenamba yawo-ke ama-notice awo ama-right noma amalungelo.
S094.
The notice of rights number is S094
7284.
7284, my lord.
futhi ke leyo number leyo S09478284.
I just want to refer to exhibit LL.
Ba re ba kgopela go lefa botlhatsi bo ba LL.
Just identify that once again.
Nke le re botsa
It's
gore
already on
keng.
record.
Yona is tše e le gore e ile ya balwa e fela lena nke le re botse gape gore keng.
Ke notice of rights in terms of the constitution.
It is a notice of rights in terms of the constitution.
Na le phepha ke ngilinikwayo ke manje ilona ke leli ke elinamalungelo.
Bogodimo serial number is 09477284.
On top it reflects a serial number which reflected as 09478284.
Laphayana phezulu ke kubhalwe ke le number ke bathi serial number mabeyibiza eku S09478284.
Ome engwe ke gore reason or you are detained for the following reason.
And it reflects that the person is being detained for the following reasons.
Tshengisa ke ukuthi umuntu uvalelwe ngenxa yalezathu esilandelayo.
Ome yangwala possession of unlicensed ammunition.
It reflects that the person was detained for the possession of unlicensed ammunition.
Nokuthi wayeboshelwe ke ukuthi etholakala nezinhlamvu ngokungekho emthethweni.
Ome enal ihlalosa ditokelo tsa gagwe tsa go swariwa.
And it explains all the rights as the person was arrested.
Bise ichaza ke onke amalungelo akhe ke nanjengomuntu oyiboshiwe.
Ome mofasi your certificate by detainee.
Underneath it says the certificate by the detainee.
Yes, you've already placed it on record.
Okay.
Ba re yewe bestele badile.
And what is the time of arrest?
Nako e be e le nako mang?
2245. Date 22 of 6/19/2245.
It was on the date of the 19th of June 2020 at 22:45 p.m.
Langa ke kwakuyi 19th ka June 2020 isikhathi ke 22:45. Ntambama manje.
Ome engwe tse Phokeng.
It also
Place.
reflects that the place was where the document was completed was Phokeng.
Ibhaliwe ke nendawo lana ke iform lena ke eyabhalwa khona ke kwakusePhukeng.
Yangwala signature dash stamp print of detainee is Danzu signile.
It also shows that there is a place where a detainee is supposed to sign, and Ntanzi signed, my lord.
Yabe kunendawo ke lana ekufanele lona ke oboshiwe ke ukuthi asayinde khona ke uNtanzi ke wasayinda lapho.
Ome signature of a person who informed the detainee was signed.
And the signature of a person who informed the detainee, I myself signed.
Bese kuba indawo ke la umuntu lona owatshela ke lona oboshiwe ila kwasekusayinda mina khona ke.
As a court, please, my lord, it's almost time for the short adjournment. We've asked that the movement report ends at 26:52. We ask that the rest of the report be obtained. It has since been obtained. We'll just hand it up as part of exhibit MM2, pages 44 up to 49. We can take the normal short adjournment.
Okay, short adjournment, 15 minutes.